Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and before we get going into this week's video, if you haven't seen part 1, click up here somewhere and go see part 1 first before you watch this one. This is going to be part 2 out of a 2 video series. Part 1 was we caught northern and bluegill in a snowstorm, and part 2 follows that as we get on an insane crappie bite. It's February 8th, it's snowing, we get on the bite about 2 p.m. and it's just crazy. So in this video you're gonna see all the crappie action, and then you're gonna see all the fish we catch in the end. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks. Decent. Oh yeah. That's a good eater. Not bad. First drop down in this new hole. Catch a decent crappie. No big one, but a good eater. This is a nice one. Oh yeah. Look at that bait. It's another good eater. Another one. Here comes another one. Not as big. Little one. I had one on the whole time. Here comes another one. Boy, that's a nice one. This one's huge. We got him. Oh, I got off right by the hole. That was a fun fight. That's the biggest one so far. Just pinned him against the ice and got him. Little guy. I'm gonna put that minnow down here and see if we can catch a bigger one. Oh, here comes something. Little guy in a minnow. Look at that. Something big. Yep. This is a keeper. Nice. This one's on a minnow. Yeah. It's the 4th keeper. And he's off. Here comes one. Look at that. That's cool. Little crappie in the middle. Gonna rehook him. Let that guy go. We got a tip. Another crappie. They are stacked down there. Just a lot of small ones. Still fun. A lot of small ones down there. Throw the minnow down and see what happens. That was a good bite. Right on the drop. Nice. Look at that. It's a perfect eater. Awesome. Here we go. Eat it. Little guy absolutely choked the minnow. Such a cool fish. There's a crap ton of fish down there. Just switch holes. Whole screen is just lighting up. There are some solid marks down there. Oh, that was a good one. I think throttled it. Eat it again. Come on. Here we go. Oh, he came off again. Gosh. Crappie, I tell ya. They got such soft lips. Giant. That's a nice one. Let's go, guys. We are on them now. It's starting to be a good day. My grandpa kind of just stumbled upon some, and he was catching a lot of small ones, and I kind of just moved up in front of him, probably, I don't know, 30 yards, and I was catching some size. I mean, that's a great fish. Kind of hopping back and forth between waxworms and minnows. There's still a bunch down there. Hit it on the drop. Another nice one. I got him. Oh, look at that. Snagged him. That's the second one. That popped off right at the hole and we've grabbed him. The snow's making everything a mess. Everything's freezing up. My reel is messed up. We're hand lining them. That's another decent one. We'll throw him back. I set my reel down in the snow and it gets all snowy and then it melts. I'm gonna put the minnow down here. Try to catch a little bigger one. I've been starting off jigging with the wax worm. I'll catch a few and then I start catching small ones and I'll drop the minnow down there and usually I catch one nice one. The small ones still eat the minnow, but it seems to help a little bit maybe. There we go. I mean, that's a small one. But it's just cool how they eat that bait. I mean, awesome. All those are some nice marks. That's a good one. Stay on. Oh, we got him. That's the third one. Their lips are so soft. That's a good one. That's a good one. My drag is messed up. Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice. And we got a flag too. That's a good one. He's on the smaller end of the spectrum. It's crazy how easy they just pop off. Such a cool fish. Back he goes. Gosh, there's so many down there. Just ridiculous. Catching crappies in the snow. Doesn't get much better. There we go. Gets better. Oh. Look at that. That's a good one. Oh yeah, get up here. This is so fun, guys. It's been a long time since I've been on a crappie bite. in the snow. Look at it. It's just beautiful out. God, there's so many down there. I mean, they're just right off the bottom. They are feeding. That is for sure. I think one has it on the drop. Get up here. On the drop. Back to back. I was dropping it down and my line was just slack. Another nice one. Perfect eater size. They're not giants, but you get a good fillet out of these guys. They're just hitting it on the fall. I'm dropping it down and my line just goes slack, and then I lift up and they're there.
Yeah, a lot of times crappies are that way.
Yeah.
Hit it when it's pulled down.
It's fun. Yeah. Yeah. Borderline.
Huh?
Easier to go back.
Yeah.
Borderline. I bet you between me and you, we've caught a lot.
I only got probably 5 or 6.
Yeah, but a lot of, in general though, a lot of small ones.
A lot of small ones.
Yeah. Here we go. There we go. Nice one. Not super big. Here's a nice one. Eat it. Never mind, he's small. They're tearing up this jig. Got threads coming off that. Oh yeah, nice one. Stay on. That's a nice one. Another nice one. One. Little small. Oh, it just snapped off. There we go. That thing came up and smoked it. Not a big one, but it's a crappie. Be nice to get on a few bigger ones here as it's getting darker out. Here we go. Not a big one. Yeah, get up here. That's a good one. Spit the middle too. Sweet. All right, guys, we just got back to the cabin. Ended up getting on a decent crappie bite. Caught some nice ones, no giants, but some nice ones, and then some just real good eaters. Overall, in the beginning of the day, we tried that one lake we went to right away and couldn't get on any bluegill. All we could find were small perch and just no weeds in deeper water. So I went to one of these lakes that I was real familiar with, and tip of action was decent to begin with. Got a couple northern. Overall, a lot of flags, but there was a lot of drops. Probably caught 5 northern. And then kind of was hole hopping and caught 2, 3 nice sunfish, bluegill to grill up. And then towards the end, we found some crappie, and between me and my grandpa, we probably caught 50 crappie. I mean, a lot of them were small, but there were some nice ones. Ended the day with 18 fish, which I didn't think I had that much. I mean, I almost got my limit. 4 sunfish and 14 crappie, so really good day. Definitely the best I've ever done on a crappie bite. It's such a fun bite. I mean, I really don't catch many crappie, and one of my goals this year was to get on some nice crappie, and it was really fun. Such a soft bite, but they fight hard when you hook them. Was using that red jig with wax worms, and then a minnow with a white jig, and they both were catching fish. I would drop that red jig with a waxy down there first, and I'd catch a few, catch some nicer ones, some eaters, and then I would catch a bunch of small ones too. And then I feel like every once in a while, those bigger ones would prefer the minnow. I caught those bigger ones on both the waxworms and minnows. It really didn't seem to matter, but even those smaller fish that I threw back would eat the minnow. So pretty fun bite. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.